Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix "there was a problem with the server 400" error on YouTube, a common issue that can stop videos from loading properly. First, refresh the YouTube page or restart the app. Sometimes this error is temporary and goes away instantly after reloading. If that doesn't help, sign out of your YouTube account and sign back in, as session issues can cause this error. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies if you're using YouTube on Chrome or any browser. Go to Settings, open Privacy and Security, and clear browsing data to remove corrupted files. If you're on mobile, go to App Settings, find YouTube, and clear cache. You can also force stop the app and reopen it. Another important step is to check your internet connection. Switch networks or restart your router to ensure stable connectivity. You should also disable extensions like ad blockers, as they sometimes interfere with YouTube requests. Finally, update your browser or app to the latest version and the error should be resolved. Subscribe the channel for more videos.